If you can't fix a technical flaw, you can use it as a creative technique. Today we will talk about electronic shutters, which let you take photos like this without any filters or additional post-processing. Many modern cameras now come with electronic shutters. One of the main benefits of electronic shutter is the ability to shoot at very fast shutter speeds. But sadly, these speeds often only offer technical benefits, like shooting in very bright lighting conditions. Many photographers get disappointed when they find out that their camera with an electronic shutter can't expand their creative. Specifically, you can't freeze fast-moving objects due to image distortion caused by rolling shutter. For example, if we try to photograph a moving car with an electronic shutter, we get a distorted image. Here's another example, a spinning fan. The left frame is taken with a mechanical shutter and the right one with an electronic shutter. We decided to turn this flaw into an advantage and use it creatively. We activated the electronic shutter on our Fujifilm X-T1 camera and started our experiments. We found it most interesting to experiment with quick changes in camera position while pressing the shutter button. So, if you quickly rotate the camera clockwise or counterclockwise, you can get distortion like a twisted horizon. If you tilt the camera up or down, you'll get a compression or stretching of space. The effect will depend on how the sensor reads the information, from top to bottom or bottom to top. For example, in our camera, tilting it quickly upwards led to a stretching effect, and a quick tilt downward led to compression. You can use this kind of space compression with an electronic shutter to effectively widen your camera's field of view. On the left is a regular frame, and on the right is the frame taken with a very fast horizontal pan. So essentially you get a panorama in just one frame. Yes, the photo looks compressed, but that can be quickly fixed in the photo editing program. Now let's compare how much wider the field of view became after stretching the panned shot. As you can see, the right frame captures much more space. This method can be very useful when traditional panoramic stitching is complicated. For example, with a quickly changing seascape with waves or landscape with fast-moving clouds. If quality is important to you, these experiments are best suited for well-lit subjects, because you should use the shortest possible exposure time. Otherwise, the image will be blurry due to the camera's quick motion. Both these photos were taken with an electronic shutter, but at different exposure time. We're glad to have you on our channel. Here we talk about photography catering to both experienced and beginner photographers. Feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.